Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw na ito ay didiscuss natin ang solving logarithmic equations. Bago ang lahat, i-discuss muna natin ang laws of logarithms. Ang unang law ay logarithm of a product. Pag logarithm of a product, pag meron tayong dalawang logarithm na pinag-add with the same base tulad nito, pwede po natin siyang pag-multiplyin yung u at saka b. So, halimbawa, meron tayong logarithm of 5 to the base 3 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 3. Pwede na, since parehas po ang base ng dalawang logarithm, pwede po natin siyang pagsamahin. At since pinaghihiwalay ito ng plus, pwede natin pag-multiplyin yung 5 at saka 10. So, pwede po siyang i-simplify as logarithm of 50 to the base 3. Ang pangalawa namang law ay ang logarithm of a quotient. Kapag logarithm of a quotient naman, meron tayong dalawang logarithm with the same base at pinaghihiwalay ito ng minus sign. Unlike kanina, sa logarithm of a product, may dalawang logarithm with the same base pero pinaghihiwalay ng plus sign. Kapag ganito ang ating given, ang kailangan lang po natin gawin ay i-divide ang u sa v. Halimbawa ay logarithm of 10 to the of base 2 minus logarithm of 5 up to the base 2. To simplify this, ang kailangan lang natin gawin, tingnan natin kung ang dalawang logarithm ay mayroong same base. Kung mapapansin natin, may same base po tayo. So, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin. Logarithm of base 2. And then, i-divide natin yung 10 sa 5. 10 divided by 5 ay 2. Since logarithm of 2 to the base 2, kapag sinimplify natin, that's equal to 1. So, therefore, the answer is equal to 1. Ang pangatlo nating law ay logarithm of a power. Kapag naman po logarithm of a power, kung meron tayong number dito, pwede natin siyang gawing exponent ng u. Halimbawa, meron akong 5 logarithm of x to the base 3. Pwede ko po siyang i-write as logarithm of x to the raised to 5 to the base 3 or vice versa. At ang pang-apat naman po ay change of base formula. Kapag change of base formula, ang logarithm of x to the base p ay pwede po nating i-write as logarithm of x to the base a all over logarithm of b to the base a. Ibig sabihin po, kahit anong base ang pwede nating ilagay or i-represent kay a. Pero ito po, kung ano yung number dito, ito po ilalagay dito. At yung b or base mo ay mapupunta po dito. For instance, meron po akong logarithm of x squared to the base 3. Pwede ko siyang isulat as logarithm of x squared over logarithm of 3. Kung ganito po yung given ko, automatic ang base ko po ay 10. Ang tawag po dyan ay common logarithm. Pwede ko rin po itong i-write as ln of x squared over ln 3 or ln of x squared all over ln of 3. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi nating ln, that's natural logarithm, at ang ating base ay e. So, ibig sabihin lang po, kapag change of base formula, pwede nating palitan yung base at pwede po nating i-write in this way. Let's have an example. Let's solve for x. Kung meron tayong given na logarithm of 2x minus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 2, ang kailangan lang po natin gawin, kailangan po natin siyang i-write or i-transform into exponential form. So, in transforming this into exponential form, itong base po natin ay magiging base po. So, it will be 3 raised to, kung ano yung inequal po natin, yan yung magiging exponent. So, raised to 2 is equal to kung ano yung number na nandito. So, kung meron akong logarithm of c to the base a equals b, i-rewrite ko siya as a raised to b equals to c. So, now, dahil na transform na natin to into exponential, pwede na natin i-simplify ang 3 squared and that's 9. Now, para ma-solve natin ang value ng x, we're going to use addition property of equality. we're going to add 1 on both sides. So therefore, it will be 10 is equal to 2x. Now, by applying division property of equality, i-divide lang natin both sides by 2. So therefore, ang value ng x natin is equal to 5. Let's try another example. Halimbawa, ang ating given ay logarithm of x plus 6 to the base 9 minus logarithm of x to the base 9 equals logarithm of 2 to the base 9. Kung mapapansin natin, pwede natin i-apply ang logarithm of a quotient in this example. Pwede natin itong pagsamahin at pwede pong maging logarithm of x plus 6 over x to the base 9 is equal to logarithm of 2 to the base 9. Since parehas pong may logarithm to the base 9 na naka-equate, pwede po nating i-equate na lang yung x plus 6 over x equals to 2. And then, we're going to have multiplication of the LCD, and that's x. So x divided by x is 1 times x plus 6, that's x plus 6. X divided by 1 times 2, that's 2x. So using subtraction property of equality, we're going to subtract x in this side, and then subtract x also in this side. So it will be x is equal to 6. So therefore, the value of x on this side is, or in this example is, x equals to 6. Halimbawa, ang ating given example ay logarithm of x minus 1 to the base 5 plus logarithm of x plus 3 to the base 5 minus 1 equals to 0. Ang una po natin gagawin, itatranspose natin ang negative 1 sa kabilang side at pwede po natin itong pagsamahin. Bakit? Dahil meron silang same base na 5 at pinaghihiwalay ito ng plus sign. Since pinaghihiwalay ito ng plus sign, pwede po natin gamitin ang logarithm of a product. So it will be logarithm of x plus 1 times x plus 3 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Now, ang susunod po natin gagawin ay itatransform natin ito into exponential form. So therefore, it will be 5 raised to 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x plus 3. 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5, and then simplifying this one, it will be x squared plus 2x minus 3. Equate ngayon natin to into 0, it will be x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 5 equals to 0. Simplifying negative 3 minus 5, it will be x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Since x squared plus 2x minus 8 can be factored, it will be x and x. So, iisip tayo ng factor ng 8 na kapag binaynos, sagot 2, and that's 4 and 2. At since yung plus ay nasa middle term, therefore, yung plus will be on the greater value, which is 4, and minus 2 for this factor. Now, using zero product property, it will be x plus 4 equals to 0, and x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4, and x is equal to 2. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute natin itong negative 4 sa x para makita natin kung magsasatisfy ito sa logarithm. So, pag ito ay naging negative 4 minus 1, it will be negative 5. So, therefore, hindi nag-satisfy yung negative 4. Bakit? Hindi kasi pwede mag-negative yung value dito. At hindi rin pwede mag-0. So, therefore, x equals negative 4 is an extraneous root. Ngayon, try naman natin ang 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So, therefore, since nag-satisfy yun sa ating condition sa logarithm, therefore, x is equal to 2. And that's our final answer. Let's try this. Logarithm of 2x to the base 3 minus logarithm of x minus 4 to the base 3 equals 1. Since parehas ng base ito, pwede po natin siyang pagsamahin. It will be logarithm of 2x over x minus 4 to the base 3 is equal to 1. Now, transforming this into an exponential form, it will be 3 raised to 1 is equal to 2x over x minus 4. Now, 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3, so it will be equal to 2x over x minus 4. Multiplying both sides by x minus 4, it will be 3. Quantity x minus 4 is equal to 2x. Using distributive property, it will be 3 times x is 3x 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 equals to 2x. Now, transposing 2x to the other sides and negative 12 to the other side, it will be 3x minus 2x is equal to 12. So therefore, x is equal to 12. Let us now substitute 12. 2 times 12 is equal to 24. So it satisfies the condition. 12 minus 4 is 8. And it satisfies the condition. So therefore, our final answer is x is equal to 12. How about this one? Ln of x minus 3 minus ln of x minus 5 is equal to 5. Kapag ganito yung ating example, ibig sabihin, ito ay natural logarithm. At ang ating base is equal to e. So therefore, simplify muna po natin to into logarithm of x minus 3 to the base e minus logarithm of x minus 5 to the base e is equal to 5. Now, since may parehas tayong base, pwede po natin siyang pagsamahin. Pwede ito maging logarithm of x minus 3 over x minus 5 to the base e is equal to 5. So ngayon, ang gawin natin, i-transform natin to into exponential. It will be a raised to 5 is equal to x minus 3 over x minus 5. Multiplying both sides by x minus 5, it will be e raised to 5, quantity x minus 5, is equal to x minus 3. Now, let's distribute e raised to 5 inside the parentheses. It will be e raised to 5x minus 5 e raised to 5 is equal to x minus 3. So now, simplifying this, we're going to combine like terms. So, lahat ng may x nandito sa kabila at lahat ng walang x sa kabila. So, therefore, it will be e raised to 5x minus x is equal to 5 e raised to 5 minus 3. So, now, pwede natin itong i-factor using common monomial factor. It will be x. So, it will be e raised to 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 e raised to 5 minus 3. Now, dividing both sides by e raised to 5 minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is x is equal to 5e raised to 5 minus 3 all over e raised to 5 minus 1. And this is our final answer. Okay, let us now try this one. Logarithm of 2x minus 5 to the base 3 over logarithm of 2 to the base 3 is equal to logarithm of 7 to the base 2. Kung mapapansin natin, ang logarithm sa kabila ay may base na 2. At nasa denominator to. So therefore, pwede natin gamitin ang change of base formula. Since parehas naman po ang base natin dito, pwede natin i-rewrite ito as logarithm of 2x minus 5 to the base 2 is equal to logarithm of 7 to the base 2. Again, ano yung ginamit nating laws of logarithm? Ang ginamit nating law of logarithm is change of base formula. So dahil parehas naman po ang base at may 2 dito, at 2 ang ating base sa kabila, pwede po natin i-rewrite ito as logarithm of 2x minus 5 to the base 2. Now, since parehas naman pong may logarithm of base 2, pwede na po natin i-equate ang 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. Now, transposing negative 5, it will be 2x is equal to 7 plus 5. So, it will be 2x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 2, the answer is x is equal to 6. So, substitute natin yung x equals 6 to the logarithm. So, 2 times 6 is 12 minus 5 is 7. So, it satisfies the condition. So, since it satisfies the condition, therefore, ang value ng x natin sa example na ito ay x equals to 6. Paano naman ito? Paano natin i-apply ang logarithm dito? Paano natin masasolve ang x? So, ginagawa po natin dito, we're going to have x plus 1, logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 10. Naglalagay tayo ng logarithm. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng, didistribute natin ng logarithm of 3 inside the parentheses. So, therefore, we're going to have x logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 10. Now, transpose natin ang logarithm of 10 sa kabila. It will be x logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 10 minus logarithm of 3. Since may logarithm of 3 nakatabi si x, divide natin both sides by logarithm of 3. So therefore, x is equal to logarithm of 10 minus logarithm of 3 all over logarithm of 3. So that's the value of x. So that's all for today's discussion. I hope you've learned a lot for today's discussion. Happy math learning, and again, kindly subscribe, watch, and learn with our math tutorial. Thank you.